If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, like 1, 2, 3, I'll be.
So I am a volunteer at the nature park over here in Rethymno, and the food is very delicious, and all of the food here, the majority of the food here is grown here as well. So we get lots of delicious salads and the occasional delicious bunny to go with our meals. And yeah, it's a very good place to volunteer. The whole idea behind it is sustainability, and it's a sustainability of various sorts. And they focus a lot on permaculture here. And so this means sort of farming, but in harmony with the rest of nature. Farming how farming is supposed to be done with nature. And yeah, another part of sustainability of this place is are the tours. And it's a way to bring in money, but for me, I see the tours as being the main part of the entire nature park. And I can see that the owner's dream of this place is to educate the people, especially the children around the Rethymno, and to educate them about the environment in the hopes that they'll be closer with nature, and the hopes that they won't be as far away from nature as some other countries where the children believe that fish only come in stick form. And I can see that this is the main focus of this nature park, and with this in mind, it makes all of the other duties a breeze. It's a very good place to volunteer. We don't actually eat the bunnies, by the way.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.
Mama, I got it.
Count on me, 'cause I can count on you.
Yeah, what's going on?
So this park has a really wonderful environment here. You come in and you don't really expect that much, but the more you see, the more you realize what needs to be protected and what needs to be shown and what needs to be taught to the children of this island and everybody else who comes in. I've learned so much being here about nature, about myself, about the people I work with, and it's a really beautiful, beautiful environment to work and live in. And you get lots of edible flowers. So many fresh fruits, and you realize how to treat yourself and how to treat your environment. And I think it's really good for everybody to get the chance to come here and experience that firsthand. So everybody should come. Woo!
A guide through the park, and one of us is showing them what exists at the park. So many things that normally we just should pass by,
Also when we
or
walk
because
somewhere.
they are too small, or because they are hiding, or here they can see also what's
in nature,
behind
and you
this.
normally don't see, because we know where the animals are now, because we know the park We can show them the libella, for example, here sitting on the flower.
So actually the plants we have at the park with all the signs and the informations of them, they are about 240. Many kinds of insects, geckos, frogs, crabs, snakes,
Bees,
every kind of
butterflies,
yes,
beautiful butterflies.
So actually the people, they can see at the nature park all the aspects of Cretan nature, and this is also interesting. For example, the orchids. The orchids of Crete is a big subject. The butterflies of Crete is also another big subject. The birds of Crete, that many birds are flying through Crete.
Yeah, the edible plants.
Yeah, also the edible plants.
About 400 different edible plants exist here.
With many recipes we have for them.
And the healing plants, the herbs.
The herbs, aromatic or healing or for a
strong,
tea.
yeah. Because of the sun here close to Africa, they are very, very strong.
And of course the endemic species, that is 10% of the nature of Crete is endemic.
10%, yeah.
And a very big number.
So, it's already said everything, I think.
Si spegne